Back with another hieroglyph. All right, what is this one that a lot of people tell me looks like a worm? And how was it used in ancient Egyptian? That's what we'll get into in just a moment. Welcome to Voices of Ancient Egypt. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd click subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future videos like this one. All right, so what is this and how was it used? This is actually a picture of a horned viper. So that is a type of quite venomous snake that exists in the deserts of Egypt. So how was it used in ancient Egyptian? Well, this was typically used for the sound of the letter F. And there actually aren't a ton of words in Egyptian with the letter F in them, but when there is an F sound, this is the one that's used. So it does occur in a number of words. So one example would be the word chefet, for example, which is a preposition. It means basically opposite or according to. But another place where you'll see the horned viper that is a very unusual use is in this word, yeet, which is the word for father. Now you'll notice I didn't pronounce an F sound in there anywhere, and I didn't transliterate it here. So this is a very irregular word in which the F actually seems to not be an F in this case, but is actually acting as a determinative. And if you don't know what a determinative is, I would suggest you download my free half-hour hieroglyphs guide, which I'll link in the description. So this is the only place, though, where you'll see the horned viper used in this way. But it is a very common word, the word for father, as you might imagine. Family terminology, just like in English, we use it all the time. In Egyptian, they use it a lot too. So like with mut for mother that I talked about recently, I'll link that in the corner above. Father also shows up on a lot of monuments because people do tend to talk about their family members on their funerary monuments like tombs and stelae, and also in legal documents and similar things as well. So you will see these a lot, and when next time you're scrolling through Instagram looking at photos of Egyptian artifacts, or the next time you manage to get to a museum, take a look at some of these artifacts and see if you can pick out amongst the family members the father. And now you've seen mother and father, and I also, in the video for the duck that's Za, talked about the words for son and daughter. I'll link that in the corner above. So now you know a lot of the family terminology, and you can check it out next time you're looking at monuments on social media or in a museum. All right, I'll see you in the next video.